Hi guys! Guess what? I just received my very first purchase here in TikTok. Yay! So join me guys as I unbox this.
The one I purchased, guys, have the phone stabilizer, a tripod, a Type-C cable for charging, and a user manual.
Go.
Here's the face recognition testing by Dudong Sherwin.
Up! There you go guys. So far I like it. So yeah, this is an awesome first order that I got from TikTok. And yes, it's the Smart XE Gimbal by AOCHUAN. I don't know how do you pronounce that. Is it AOCHUAN, whatever. So it's an awesome product. Thank you guys for watching.